Hey, come closer for a second. I've been living with the Qrevo Edge for a while now, and it's wild how fast it becomes part of your routine. You start your morning, glance at the floors, and instead of feeling that little frustration, you just tap once and let it take over. It's the kind of device you only appreciate after you've used it day after day. If you're the type who loves a clean home but refuses to waste energy on constant sweeping and mopping, this is built for you. You're someone who values order, clarity, and things that work without drama. You don't settle for half-clean floors or clogged brushes, you want something that stays ahead of the mess, not behind it. Before we get deeper, check the current price and availability because this one sells out in unexpected waves and the promos rarely last. There's always a moment when you realize your old cleaning setup isn't cutting it anymore. Maybe your last robot kept getting stuck, maybe it tangled every time it touched hair, or maybe the mopping was just pretend. At some point, you get tired of babysitting your smart devices. I had that moment too. And the first day I ran the Qrevo Edge, that whole irritation disappeared. The relief is real. You watch it glide along walls, extend its little arm to catch the dirt other vacuums skip, and you feel this weird confidence building. Finally, something that actually cleans the edges. The suction hits with the kind of force that makes you realize you've been accepting weak performance for years. And the fact that the brush doesn't choke on hair. That alone feels like a small miracle. Daily life shifts with it. You come home, and the floors feel fresh, not just vacuumed, but properly maintained. The mop doesn't leave streaks, it washes itself with hot water so you're not spreading old grime in new directions. Even weekend deep cleans feel lighter, because the robot has already handled the boring part. And once you experience this level of convenience, going back to manual cleaning or older robots feels impossible. Every time you consider something cheaper, you remember how much time this one saves you, how much cleaner your home looks without any extra effort. Don't wait too long to check the price again, this model jumps in and out of stock without warning. If you're hesitating, you're probably thinking about maintenance, noise, or whether you'll actually use the advanced features. But that's the surprise here, this thing manages itself. Self-cleaning, self-washing, self-drying. You end up using it more because it demands less from you. And there's a quiet pride in owning it. When your home feels cleaner every day without you lifting a finger, something shifts. You feel like you finally upgraded your environment to match the way you want to live, not rushed, not messy, but under control. The strengths are cleaner floors with almost no effort, real edge cleaning, mopping that feels professional, and a brush that doesn't choke on hair. The only downside is the dock size, and even that feels fair for how much work it takes off your shoulders. You can compare features all day, but eventually, you choose the one you already know fits the life you're trying to build. And that's this one. If it's the right time, check the link, confirm the price, and grab it before the next stock swing. This is one of those upgrades you'll look back on and wonder why you waited.